Guys! Another beautiful day and another sunny day in Boracay Island. Guys, we are going to swimming sa front ng Johnny's Fruit Shake, and we're having Johnny's Fruit Shake. I'm gonna treat with my best friend. Mahal, what do you want to order? I'm gonna try peanut, peanut butter ata yun. I'm going to try that fruit shake. Because the last time we tried, mahal, Boko Mango, no? Boko Mango shake. Okay guys, let's go swimming. It's a beautiful day in paradise. Tara na, maliligo tayo.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose my own slide. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, baby, you are no more than a dream.
Ayan guys, we are here now at the front of Johnny's Fruit Shake. It's a beautiful, look at this. Oh my god, guys, let's go! Ang ganda-ganda. Ito yung guys, station 1. Oh my god, someone calling me. Si Anzo, nandoon. Ang ganda, no? My favorite spot. Nakita ko yung post mo. Sabi ko, maligo nga ako. Yes.
Ito kasi lapit lang ng motor.
My friend, Juan, say hi sa mga subscriber ko. Sabihin mo, more subscriber to come.
Oh, more subscribers to come.
And thumbs. Sabi Anzo! Say hi! Hi! Anzo! Ayan guys! Ang sarap-sarap guys ng tubig. Woo! Tara na guys, let's go swimming. Woo! Ang saya-saya. Ang saya-saya talaga. Come here na guys. Come for visit now in Boracay Island. Because look at this. Woo! Talaga, todo na to. Tara na dyan. Todo na to. Woo! Todo na to. Oh, fuck. Siya yung mother ni Anzo, yung handsome boy na pale French. Mamaya ganyan yung camera ko.
Swiss
Ay, Swiss French pala. Swiss French. Clear, crystal yung tubig. Super.
Your feet.
Yeah.
Hey, you. I saw you from the distance. Hey, you. Can we talk? Hey, you. I think you're my subsistence. Hey, you. Or am I wrong?
Ayan guys, after swimming, and now we are going to afternoon jogging with my best friend and Pumpkin. Come on, Pumpkin. Pumpkin is so excited. This is Pumpkin. Looks Pumpkin. This is Pumpkin. Pumpkin was so excited. Say hi. Say hi, Pumpkin. Say hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Ang sexy ng best friend ko. Ayan guys, dito kami sa we are here at Mount Loho. Mamundok muna kami. Si Pumpkin ang gulo. baka ma-finish si Pumpkin sa kalsada. Hey, what's that, Pumpkin? Come on! Come on! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Afternoon jogging! Woohoo! Kasama namin guys si Pumpkin. He's so excited. Gusto niya laging sumama kasi maraming aso dito. Baka awayin siya guys. Awayin si Pumpkin ko. Awayin ng mga pusa, ng mga askal dito. Pumpkin! Pumpkin is so happy. Pumpkin is so happy. Ayan, chill-chill muna kami dito sa aming terraces. Sa may bukid, Mount Loho. Kasama namin si Pumpkin. Always, and my best friend. Ayan guys, nagbibilang muna kami dito ng we're chilling here in our terraces. Nagbibilang kami ng we're counting the mga cars. We are counting the cars, how many cars we always passing by. Ayan yung aming guys antique terraces. Kasama namin si best friend, yun si Pumpkin. Pumpkin, say hi. Say hi, Pumpkin. Because Pumpkin want to jog with us. It's really exciting and happy, right, Pumpkin? Ow, ow. See, ow, ow. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Chill lang. Chillax lang kami sa bukid. Are you okay now, Pumpkin? Welcome to the jungle, guys. Siguro maraming aswang dito, mahal, no? Guys, maraming dito, maraming mumu. Maraming aswang. Ayan, guys, yung nakakatakot dito sa gabi ng lagim. Ayan, so green. Ayan, ganda, no? Ang ganda, mahal. Ganda. walwal ang dila ni Pumpkin. Pumpkin! Walwal ang dila. Pumpkin!
We could be more. Hey, you. If I'm being honest, it's true. You're all I want. And now, I lose my inside. My love is out of my mind. You are not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh hey. There you are, not more than a dream. Or am I wrong? Hey, you. I saw you from the distance. Hey, you. Can we talk? Hey, you. I think you're my subsistence. Hey,